Pumpkins aren't just for Halloween. They're the ultimate symbol of fall. Whether you're looking to add a cozy touch to your home, spice up your porch, or create stunning centerpieces, pumpkins can do it all. But how do you go beyond the typical jack-o'-lantern? Stick around because I'm about to share some fresh, creative ideas for decorating with pumpkins that will make your space feel warm and festive all season long. What are some unique ways to use pumpkins for indoor fall decor? Pumpkins can do more than just sit on your porch. Bringing them indoors can create a cozy, autumnal atmosphere in every room of your house. Pumpkin centerpieces. Create stunning centerpieces by combining pumpkins with candles, leaves, and berries on a tray. This not only adds warmth to your dining table, but also makes for a beautiful focal point during meals. Pumpkin vases. Hollow out small pumpkins and use them as vases for fall flowers like mums or sunflowers. This adds a natural, rustic touch to any room and makes your floral arrangements truly seasonal. Stacked pumpkin displays. Stack pumpkins of different sizes and colors in corners, on mantels, or by the fireplace. This simple yet striking arrangement adds dimension and makes the most of the vertical space in your home. Stacked pumpkin displays. Stack pumpkins of different sizes and colors in corners, on mantels, or by the fireplace. This simple yet striking arrangement adds dimension and makes the most of the vertical space in your home. If you love these indoor pumpkin decor ideas, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who's looking to cozy up their space this fall. How can you decorate your porch or outdoor space with pumpkins in a creative way? Your porch is the first thing people see when they visit, so why not make it a welcoming sight with some pumpkin-inspired decor? Let's dive into some outdoor ideas that will set the perfect fall tone. Pumpkin pathways. Line your walkway with pumpkins of varying sizes and colors. For an added touch, carve out the pumpkins and place candles or fairy lights inside for a magical, glowing path. Pumpkin topiaries. Create topiaries by stacking pumpkins on top of each other in planters or large pots. You can mix in greenery or flowers between the pumpkins to add layers of texture and color. Pumpkin lanterns. Turn your pumpkins into lanterns by cutting out simple shapes and adding tea lights or LED candles inside. Place these lanterns along the steps leading to your door to create a warm, inviting glow. Which outdoor pumpkin idea would you try first? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how you plan to deck out your porch this fall. What are some DIY pumpkin decor projects that are easy and budget-friendly? You don't need to spend a lot to make your home look fall-ready. With a little creativity and some basic supplies, you can create stunning pumpkin decor that's both easy and affordable. Painted pumpkins. Skip the carving and go for painting instead. Use stencils or freehand designs to create patterns, faces, or even words on your pumpkins. This is a great option for kids or anyone who wants to avoid the mess of carving. Fabric wrap pumpkins. Wrap small pumpkins in fabric. Think plaid, burlap, or even old scarves. Secure the fabric at the top with twine or a ribbon. This gives the pumpkins a soft, cozy look that's perfect for indoors. Pumpkin candle holders. Hollow out small pumpkins and place small candles or tea lights inside. These DIY candle holders are perfect for adding a warm autumnal glow to any room. If you're all about DIY, hit that subscribe button to stay updated on more easy and budget-friendly fall decor projects. How can you use pumpkins in your tablescapes for fall gatherings? Pumpkins aren't just for decoration. They can also be a star element in your fall tablescapes, making your gatherings even more special. Mini pumpkin place cards. Use mini pumpkins as place cards for your dinner guests. Simply write each guest's name on a small tag and attach it to the stem. It's a charming and personal touch that doubles as a take-home favor. Pumpkin chargers. Place small to medium-sized pumpkins on large plates or chargers as part of your table setting. This adds height and interest to your tablescape while keeping with the fall theme. Pumpkin garland. Create a garland of small pumpkins to drape across the table. You can mix in fall leaves, acorns, and berries for a fuller look. This creates a festive, continuous design that ties the entire table together. Planning a fall gathering? Check out the description for more ideas on how to create the perfect autumn tablescape. What are some modern and stylish ways to decorate with pumpkins that don't involve carving? Carving isn't the only way to make your pumpkins stand out. If you're looking for a chic and modern twist on pumpkin decor, there are plenty of creative alternatives that are stylish and sophisticated. Metallic pumpkins. Paint your pumpkins with metallic paint, gold, silver, or copper for a sleek, modern look. These pumpkins can serve as a sophisticated centerpiece or accent piece in any room. Monochromatic pumpkins. Choose a single color palette and paint your pumpkins in varying shades of that color. This creates a cohesive, minimalist look that's both modern and visually striking. Decoupage pumpkins. Use decoupage techniques to cover your pumpkins with patterned paper, fabric, or even lace. This adds texture and a unique design element that stands out among traditional pumpkin decor. If you're into modern decor, give this video a like, and don't forget to check out similar videos in the description for more stylish ideas. How can you involve kids in decorating with pumpkins for fall? Involving kids in decorating with pumpkins can be a fun and creative way to spend time together, while also making your fall decor more personal and unique. Pumpkin painting party. Host a pumpkin painting party where kids can choose their favorite colors and designs. It's a mess-free alternative to carving and allows their creativity to shine. Pumpkin decorating kits. Provide kids with decorating kits that include stickers, markers, and other craft supplies. These kits make it easy for kids to decorate their own pumpkins, which can then be displayed around the house. Storybook pumpkins. Encourage kids to decorate pumpkins based on their favorite storybook characters. This not only adds a personal touch to your decor, but also encourages reading and creativity. If you enjoyed these family-friendly ideas, give this video a share and help other families get inspired to decorate together this fall. So, there you have it, 6 creative and stylish ways to decorate with pumpkins that will make your home feel warm and inviting this fall. From chic modern touches to fun DIY projects with the kids, there's a pumpkin decor idea here for everyone. Remember, the best decorations are the ones that make you feel right at home and ready to enjoy the season.